Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Infiniti FX35. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is running. This ensures you can focus on the steps without distraction. Next, find the phone button on your dashboard or steering wheel. Pressing this button will open up the Bluetooth menu on your car's display, which is our starting point for pairing your device. Now let's get your phone paired. On your car's display, select the option to connect new device or pair device. Simultaneously, open your phone's settings, turn on Bluetooth, and begin searching for nearby devices. You should see My Car or Infiniti appear on your phone's list. Select it and then enter the 4-digit PIN that your car's screen displays into your phone to complete the pairing. Once paired, your phone should automatically connect to your FX35 each time you enter the vehicle. If it doesn't, simply navigate to the Bluetooth menu on your car's display and select your phone from the list of paired devices. Always ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. Sometimes, a quick restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system can fix any stubborn connection problems. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite audio directly through your Infiniti FX35 sound system. Use your car's steering wheel controls to manage calls, adjust volume, and skip tracks, keeping your focus on the road. Your FX35 can usually remember up to 5 different paired devices. Remember to always drive safely and responsibly while utilizing your new Bluetooth connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.